Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Twin White Pilots here, Backslide. So, it's drifting here with BMX here in this music video, cool one. So take a look at that one if you haven't. Now let's take a look at the song here, Backslide. We're gonna use a capo on the 3rd fret for handling the chords here because we want them to be as easy as possible. So capo on 3rd, let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with A minor first. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. E minor next, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G as well. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have F. That's a bar chord, so you play the bar here on the 1st fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E, and then we have the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so there we have all the chords. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern. So if we go to A minor, that is the 1st chord. We have one string around that goes like this. Okay, so that is first down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. Then a short pause and then comes down, clap. And that's how it ends. So if you put these two parts together, it will be down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so that is the string and the rhythm. Let's take a look at the verse, and it's very easy. You have just A minor and E minor. You're gonna do one string around per chord, and it goes like that back and forth for 4 rounds. So A minor 1, E minor 1 times 4, like this. That's 2 rounds, so you do it 4, and that is your verse play. Over to the chords now. It starts in the same way as a verse. It will be one string around per chord. I can just mention that already. So you have A minor, E minor, then G, and A minor. Okay, then you continue with F, C, G, and D. Another round. Okay, so that is the 1st chorus. You had A minor, E minor, G, A minor, and then 2 rounds of F, C, G, and D. That is the 1st chorus. Then you go back and play the verse play again in the same way, but the 2nd chorus a little bit longer than the 1st one. So you play the 1st chorus as it is, and then you continue with F, C, G, and D. So and that is the end of the 2nd chorus. So you had, instead of playing just 2 rounds F, C, G, D, you play now for 3 rounds. And then right after the 2nd chorus comes the outro part. So it goes, just continues in the same way as the chorus with this outro, almost. You're gonna play F, C, G, and D 1 round first. And then you're gonna play the same chords F, C, G, D, but only 1 down per chord. So longer pauses in between. and then you just turn it into a verse play, the final part of the outro. So A minor, E minor, A minor, E minor for 2 rounds with the strumming. So. And that is the end of the song. So 21 Pilots, Backslide, very easy actually. When you get the strumming pattern and feeling for it, then the chord switches are pretty easy. So give it a try, Backslide. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Goran Guitar. I appreciate that a lot, so play tuned.